Hi guys! You know what I'm watching and why. Today I'm gonna show you how to run a validator node for Shardeum. We will need server with this requirement. I will use server on Hetzner. If you use my referral link, you will get 20 euros. This will be enough. Okay, our system is ready to go and we will need Docker. Let's try to follow official guide to install it. Check. Okay, it's work. Docker compose also must be installed. Okay. Check. Yes. Okay. Now we need actually download and install validator. Just copy and paste commands from official guide. Set your password and you can choose any port. If you just press enter, you will have default port 8080. And you can also choose location. I guess we can skip all of this red shit and try to get access to our dashboard. We need our address. We need to put our address instead of localhost. Just copy it and go to your browser and put here your IP. Advance it and proceed. Here must be your password. I told you remember it. And here we can see our interface. Now we need to add RPC to our MetaMask. We can just click this button. We need the sphinx1.x. Approve it, and we need also set, because we don't have any tokens to run our validator server. Okay, here is our tokens and we need at least 10. We need stake at least 10 to run our validator. Wait till your tokens will arrive to your wallet. Go to maintenance and here we need click start node. After some time it will change it to stop node and click connect wallet, connect to MetaMask. When you will see tokens on your wallet, you have to click add stake and stake at least 10 tokens. Maybe a little bit more if you want. And when your transaction will be confirmed, you will see that here appear your stake and here your address, and in overview also will be your stake. In performance you can see performance of your node. So this is all what we have to done to run the node. Don't forget click like and subscribe. See you guys.